We start with our regular look at what's happening in Europe, and here in Bulgaria, summer has arrived. 25 degrees was the top temperature we saw yesterday, some 14 degrees above the average. It does cool down a little bit here, but even so, with an area of high pressure, we should see a lot of fine dry weather over the more central parts of Europe over the forthcoming couple of days. That weather front may well cool things down a little bit and introduce a few showers, and also some showers getting in towards parts of Spain and Portugal. Otherwise, a lot of dry weather and some pretty good temperatures, 17 or 18 degrees typically for many of these cities. Now, closer to home, we've got a bit of a different story. Cold air will eventually win. These weather fronts will bring cloudier skies across a good part of southern Britain over the forthcoming 2 or 3 days. At the same time, high pressure coming down from the north. That bumps into the weather fronts and could well bring some sleetiness or some snow, I think, towards the end of the week and into the early part of the weekend, as well as a strong easterly wind. Look at the tightness of those isobars. Those winds are likely to be quite strong all the way through the Friday and also into Saturday. But I think with high pressure moving down, there should be some sunshine around through the forthcoming weekend, but also some quite frosty conditions. Now, if you're a sailor or windsurfer, then the winds are likely to be quite strong through the English Channel and also the Bristol Channel. Gusty easterly winds, but not overly warm the sea, just 8 degrees the top sea temperature. Weekend gardening, well, we're looking at some dry weather for a good part of the United Kingdom, but with a risk of overnight frosts. It becomes generally drier and sunnier towards the weekend, but I think southern areas are likely to keep a fair amount of cloud and some outbreaks of rain at times. That's the story today as well. You can see a lot of cloud that's been moving in from the west during the course of the afternoon. Some clearer skies across the more central parts of the UK, and still some sleet and snow showers in the far north. Here, temperatures in the range of 5 or 6 degrees, double figures in the south, 10, 11, maybe a 12 popping up somewhere. And then through tonight, we're looking at another band of rain coming into the far southwest, gradually pushing its way in, and it will gradually push its way northwards as well through tomorrow. Between that and the sleet and snow showers affecting parts of Scotland, clear skies again leading to a touch of frost with temperatures down to between 0 and -2. Then on to Thursday's forecast. That rain comes a little further north during the course of the afternoon, and generally it'll feel a little bit colder than we have seen of late. Still some sleet and snow showers, but some bright weather for the northern half of the United Kingdom. And then as high pressure starts to win, it starts to push its way down from the north, so return to those overnight frosts. And eventually in the south, as the colder air gets down to here, we could see over the moors and the downs a little bit of wet snow or sleet. Sunday, hopefully everywhere, should be dry. Bye for now.